It might be easier with the little spoon.
Let's try it. Wow. That's impressive. Can you do the cup?
Yeah.
Wow, so this is what we send you to school for, huh?
And we do the Papa one.
You do the big Papa spoon? It's a tough one. Here it goes. That's a little hard.
Can you do it again?
Yep, do it one more time.
Want to do it again for Papa?
And do the spoon at the same time.
You can't do the spoon at the same time. Hey, can you do the spoon and catch it in the cup?